Let's make some origami sea creatures. Fold a square piece of paper in half diagonally and then again side to side, and then flip up one half and press it down to make a triangle. It should look like this. Then using the top two parts of the triangle, fold them over to create the fish's fin and add some details using a paint pen. Super simple, and you can make it in any size and colour. Now let's make a whale. We just fold the paper in half diagonally and then tuck in each of the sides. Kind of looks like a bunch of flowers. Then fold in that top edge and make a small cut at the bottom, and that will enable you to fold up the tail and split the fin at the end. Again, add details with a paint pen and you're all done. Now for the crab, you want to make that same triangle that we did with the fish. Then bend the back two sections away from you to create the legs, then fold everything up, and then twist those front two sections towards you to make the claws. Then just fold off the bottom of the body and add detail with the paint pen, and you're all done.